Sorkar Jylla kalarai ban Pynpoi no ya ki Optical Fibre shaman ki blok Jylla ban Pynkhlain ki lat pyniasoh lyngba ki core internet. Kani karai kalami na jingialang bishar kam bat Tnad Information Technology kabala long hakasngi Nyngkong. Haba iakren bakilat pathai Khubor Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma ula pyntip jingiakren kaba bniah kaladon bat Tnad Telecom ka power grid Kaba larai bakin pyniaid no shakhmat kaban siang yaki optical line Sha Baroh ki blok.
A very important review with the IT department also today, and we have in principle decided on going ahead with the last mile connectivity in the state in terms of laying optical fibers, and we had a detailed discussion with the telecom wing of the power grid, where we are moving forward now to lay optical lines all the way to all the blocks. So the roadmap has been laid, and in a phase-wise manner this project will start. We expect the work to commence sometime in the month of March next year, and we expect that within about 12 to 15 months time, that means by 2025, sometime around June, July, we do expect that all the blocks in the state, all the subdivisions, and obviously all the districts, all of them will be connected by optical fiber. And not only that, wherever from that point, if any of the institutions, organizations, hospitals require the connectivity, we will then be able to further give the connectivity to all the different locations. So this is again a very, very important project, keeping in mind the large scale e-governance projects that we're doing, and to improve the overall e-governance from a public-centric point of view. So this is a very important project, and as I said that the work for this will start within a 3-4 months time. The paperworks are going on, but the in principle decision today was taken to go ahead with this project.